Introduce. My name is Yemi Mamaidina Rista Bruce Miring. I am from Langkat with study number 210101124 Christian Religious Education Study Program Group D. In this assignment 7, I will memorize the fruit of the Spirit. Fruit of Spirit. 1. Love, kasih. 2. Joy, sukacita. 3. Peace, damai sejahtera. 4. Patience, kesabaran. 5. Kindness, kemurahan. 6. Goodness, kebaikan. 7. Faithfulness, kesetiaan. 8. Gentleness, lemah lembutan. 9. Self-control, penguasaan diri.